Hey peeps, it is Think About It Thursday, and I've been thinking about some things. These fall days have been beautiful. The sun's been out. We've had some nice breezes, good temps, a couple of little cloudy days, a little bit of that romantic rain. But the bottom line is winter is going to be coming at us live and in Technicolor. So I wanted to give you some tips and pointers that I've learned the hard way as a homeowner myself, but want to share with you as a realtor that might help you get your house ready and save you a little bit of money. First of all, winterize your lawnmowers and any other lawn equipment. So if you have a power washer, winterize it. If you have a riding lawnmower, radius turn lawnmower, winterize those things. If you have any tools that run with gas, certainly get those winterized. If you have a backpack weed eater, whatever, get those tools winterized. Also, your grill. I love to grill, love to barbecue. So if you got a gas grill, propane grill, even if you have an old school grill that you use charcoal briquettes, winterize it. Next, I'd like to talk to you about draining your hose. Now that might seem something simple, but if you leave your hose with any water in it at all, then it can freeze, it can crack, and next year you'll have to spend more money on a hose. Clean those gutters. If you don't like to clean them, you can give me a ring-a-ling-a-ling and I can turn you on to some professional gutter cleaners and get them all nice and tidy and clean. I would highly recommend Gutter Guards if you don't have them, because then you don't have to clean them next year. Next thing I'd like you to think about is those downspout takeaways. If your downspouts aren't really good and firmly attached, we had some pretty heavy winds and rains this summer. You want to get those re-anchored so they're nice and strong. And then you also want to make sure you add those accordion hard plastic takeaways, because your water needs to be at least 6 foot away from your house as it exits. That's that's long, but that's really good. So for sure, at least 4 feet if you have to really kind of compromise. Then I'd like to also ask you to think about getting your chimney checked. So maybe there's been bird nests in it, you want to build a fire, but get that chimney checked and also get your chimney cleaned. So those are some pretty good things. And then, we do a whole lot of cooking. We have a whole lot of company. We have Thanksgiving, we have Christmas, we have New Year's, we have snacks, we have parties, we're baking, we're cooking. So adding some carbon monoxide detectors and or making sure that your carbon monoxide detectors are up to date, working, that's a really good way to stay safe for the whole winter and holiday season. Anyway, just want you to sit around, think about what else you could do to make your home a spectacular place to be for the rest of October, November, December, January, February, and beyond. So think about it. It is Thursday and it's a good day. Talk at you. Peace.